All right, so here we are going to talk about the Advanced Grid Inventory System by Kaya Products. What to do in your inventory when you want to change the layout of your widget. So it's pretty simple. You just gotta follow three simple things and do it every time, and it works pretty well. Say you want to change that inventory system. So we're working in WB Inventory Part 1. So under our widgets inventory menu, this is the left side, so Part 1 of your inventory screen. So in our inventory Part 1, we say we want to add a third weapon. We'll duplicate this, move it down. The important part about anything that is active, so like your headphones, to activate your headphones, to turn on and off, night vision goggles, or your weapons, you can put a slot key to activate them. So since this is 1, 2, we're going to turn this to 3. Say we want to adjust the equip slot settings. This is where the sizing we would change, or the text that we want to put in instead of weapon. This slot type is where you change what is acceptable to go into this slot. So for this one, it would be body, gloves, head. Once you're done with the user widget on whatever you want to do to this system, you're going to have to go into, we'll rename this first. You want to go into the graph, and you want to go into this get all container widgets, get all equip slots, and then you're going to want to add all your equip slots to this. So we'll go ahead and add that weapon 3 that we accepted. I'll show you at the end of the video. If you want to stick around, I'll show you what happens if you forget to do it. It's a pretty easy mistake to spot, and you can't use it if it doesn't work. So once you're done with the user widget, then we want to turn this widget into a data asset. So we're going to go into utilities. We're going to run this widget to inventory. And this is the info that you want to fill out for it. And how you figure this out is the import path is your folder structure. So if you just hover over whatever the UI that you're working in, the name is going to be the first line. So WB Inventory Part 1. The import path is going to be the second one. And this third one is whatever you want to name it as. So we'll just do 3 weapon. Successful. Then we'll go into our player, which if you don't know where the player is at, it's in the inventory folder. Under the inventory component, this is where your 2 data assets are. We named it 3 weapon. We'll save it. It should be inventory part 1 as default. 3 weapon, play, and it works. We'll go ahead and test it out. Make sure that we can put it on the 3 key. I did not upgrade it. So we need to change this to the 3 key. I don't know if it didn't save. 3. Compile and save. I do not know if you need to re-download it as a data asset. So you do. Any changes in your UI, you're most likely going to have to rerun the utility widget. So we'll put in inventory menu. Widget to convert is WB inventory part 1. The data name is weapon 3. Convert. It was 3 weapon. So I'm going to have to change the data asset. We'll do weapon 3. Might be confusing. Save it. Now we can try it out. Run over here. Put it there, hit the 3 key, and it works. Alright, so one of the most common mistakes people are going to do is they're going to add stuff to their widget, and they're not going to remember to add it in the graph. So for this weapon 3, we'll save it, and then we're also going to open up the inventory widget, this one, and on the pocket container we'll also forget to connect one. And as you can tell, it's not going to show up. It has to be added to that system. You can't even put any items in it. So that's probably the most common mistake. You're always gonna get an error for it, but you have to remember that you're gonna have to connect every single container that you want to be able to use in your inventory slot. Simple to just connect them, and they're back to it how it should be. Alright, that's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll go over adding your own items in the data table items and what you need to know and get your system working with this system. I'll catch you in the next video.